Inspired by DecoRug.
The Galaxy Rug Collection is a modern styled range made from heat-set polypropylene twist pile yarn, which is completely colour fast, hard wearing and non-shedding. There are 12 different design options in the range and a total of 18 variants, giving you plenty to choose from and to decorate with. Style options include squares, diamonds and abstract art designs. There's even a snakeskin pattern if you feel like being a little adventurous. Here's what else you might like about the Galaxy Rug Collection. There are plenty of size options in the range, starting with the 80 by 150 mats and going all the way up to huge family room sizes. There are also 3-metre haul runners available in selected designs. Being completely colour fast, you don't need to worry too much about accidental spots and spills. Most will clean out with relative ease. The heat-set pile fibre is anti-static, hard-wearing and non-shedding. No amount of wear and tear will cause fluff or dust build-up, so they're ideal in building and maintaining a clean home environment. The rugs are tightly woven with a 13mm pile and are nice and weighty with the ends double bound for extra strength and stability. Thank you for watching and I hope that you enjoy shopping with us at DecoRug's. Bye for now.